University of Valencia Science Park is innovation.
ChemiNova is a project where we are developing novel technologies for the remote and on-site monitoring of our cultural heritage assets. So we have four big objectives of the project. On the one hand, is precisely to develop these technologies, these novel technologies that can be used by conservators at the end. Then on the second hand, we have also the objective to do structural and chemical analysis on the E3D models that we are going to develop. The third objective is also to do temporal analysis, to see the evolution of these damages in our cultural heritage, but focusing especially on climate change. And the last objective is related to involve end users, practitioners, everyone, also citizens, in this conservation. From the practical point of view, what I'm doing is trying to organize, to coordinate, to monitor the project. So I'm not that involved in the technical aspects of the project, but more having a holistic view. I'm also the contact point with the European Commission, so everything related to our project officer, everything, all the formal aspects is something that I'm dealing with all these kind of things. And internally, because we are two teams, I'm also coordinating the conversations and also meetings.
And my role in the project is to coordinate the work packages and also the teams involved in these work packages. So coordinating meetings between different partners and different teams in order to get the results of the project and get the deliverables that the European Commission requires, and to make sure that tools are developed.
I'm focused in the conservation of cultural heritage and conservation science. My task is supervising all the aspects related to the part of the conservation that involves data acquisition with different analytical techniques on these artifacts, buildings, or cultural heritage in general.
In ChemiNova, we are developing a set of tools that will allow conservators to help in their task of monitoring cultural heritage assets. The first one is ChemiAI. ChemiAI is an artificial intelligence application. This application will allow us to perform automatic damage detection. ChemiAnalysis. ChemiAnalysis is a standalone application designed to perform advanced chemical analysis of cultural heritage assets. We have also ChemiInspection. ChemiInspection is envisioned as an on-site tool for augmented reality monitoring. It's an augmented reality application in which conservators will be around the item that they want to inspect. We have ChemiSensing. ChemiSensing is a collaborative shared space in which different experts from different locations can work together and share their views and comments and annotations also, but from different places, not on-site but off-site. Then we have ChemiC. ChemiC is a different application because this is envisioned or designed to raise awareness about the importance of conservating the cultural heritage items and about the problems that climate change and human-induced threats can provoke in the state of conservation of cultural heritage assets.
We are working in data acquisition to feed the tools that we are creating. These pilots are in different cities like Valencia, Vienna, Palermo, and Kiev. We have some collections that represent different scales of work, like artifacts, buildings, and UNESCO World Heritage Sites. We use mainly imaging techniques. We use photogrammetry and RGB data to make the 3D model, for example, and we use another techniques based on imaging too, like hyperspectral imaging. With all these techniques, we want to make some protocol to automatically detect damage on cultural heritage. This kind of damage are type of structural or chemical damage.
It is really a huge project. These partners come from 8 different countries in Europe. And also, these partners are of different types. So, on one hand, we have the universities, we also have research institutions, we have an NGO, we have also 2 small and medium enterprises, and we have also museums. We have people from the engineering field, we have also computer scientists, we have data scientists, we have conservators, we have art historians, we have media artists. So at the end is a team which is quite diverse. This is challenging, of course, from the coordination point of view, but this is also one of the things that gives value to our project. It is also important to highlight that this project is coordinated by the University of Valencia, involving 2 different teams. So on the one hand, the Institute of Robotics and Information and Communication Technologies, and on the other hand, the Department of Art History.
Well, the Science Park, I think, is an ideal place to develop these projects because of all the resources that we have at our disposal. We have a lot of technicians, we have administrative staff that takes care of all the financial issues. We have a lot of technical resources. We have devices, augmented reality devices, virtual reality devices. We have a visionarium, we have a cave. We have a lot of resources and a lot of clinicians. We have also different types of scientists here to collaborate with, so I think it's an ideal place to develop these projects.